How you doing? Welcome back to another Eating with Locals. Again, I don't know if you saw the last one, out for breakfast with my friend Noushad, eating Kerala food. Today we're going to eat lunch. We're actually going to eat Sadhya. Sadhya is a banana leaf with lots and lots of little pieces on it. It's absolutely delicious. Let's go and do it. Right, so we're going to eat Sadhya.
Sadhya, yes.
Am I saying that right?
Correct.
Okay, so this is, it's all vegetarian?
No, it's a mix. There is vegetarian, there is some fish.
Okay, so we've got here a banana leaf.
Yeah, there is Sadhya, like you said, there is option.
Yeah.
Only vegetarian Sadhya there, non-vegetarian Sadhya.
Okay.
So today we're gonna have a mix.
A mixed one.
Mixed
okay.
one.
Now the banana leaf, you were just telling me the banana leaf, the smaller end has to be facing to the left.
Exactly.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And there's a certain way that it gets put on
have there. The things, the waitress and the serving people, they know how to serve exactly what is the item, the sequence of the items.
You've already been started.
They've already
Let's go.
started, yeah.
And it's very important the way that it's laid out, yeah?
Exactly. It's the pickle.
Yep.
Coconut
Is that
chutney.
a mango pickle or something? Is it?
No, lemon.
Lemon?
Yeah. Lemon pickle, coconut chutney,
Yep.
kondata. It's just they will cook this chili
Yeah.
in Lebanon,
Okay.
and they will cook and make it dry,
Yep.
and they deep fried. So the hardness of the spices it will go, but still it's spicy.
I remember for breakfast we had that banana to cool me down. That was good. That was really good.
And this is called aviel, toren, aviel, toren.
And what's inside this? What is it?
This is all mix. You will find what we mix with sambar. You know sambar, right?
Yeah.
This is ingredients of sambar, but there is leave the powder of the masala powders,
Okay.
like coriander powder, chili powder. They will not add on here.
So in here there's going to be drumsticks,
Exactly.
beans, long beans.
What
like
you're
that.
using for sambar?
Yeah.
All the ingredients here, including the whole coconut and some fried items.
Okay. And what was this one you said?
That is toren.
And
Toren is what is available, like a bean, sometime.
little fried fish there.
Like,
Looks beautiful.
Yeah. So this is how they will.
I'm very excited about this.
Really?
This doesn't excite you, but it excites me.
Really?
Yeah, just fun.
I thought you already had before this, but I think you had already, right?
I've not had exactly this, or I think I might have had something similar, but it was never
Just
explained
yesterday
to me.
only. I know what is your concept. Once we had the breakfast,
Yeah.
then I decide what is your exactly concept. That's the reason I need a little bit freedom to do our things properly. Like
Yeah.
you know, I know the place, I know the people here. So
But yeah,
the mainly that is it.
Like I say, I get very excited about this. This is normal for you, isn't it?
There
This
is
stuff,
another
for me,
thing. Sorry, there is another. When they put the rice, you have to hold like this.
Oh, you have to do that.
Yes. But
Well, I didn't do it.
Yeah, no problem.
Sorry about that.
Otherwise,
you have to
it
do
will
that.
happen, yeah.
It's just really good to sort of learn
Yeah.
what's what. I do think I've had this
And
before,
you have
but
to
it was
put
just
one here in the side somewhere.
there. Is that correct?
Sambar. Sambar alla Sambar. There is a lemon
Yeah.
sambar.
Okay.
They will put on top. That's it.
Right. This is amazing.
And the fish on the follow pedo. And then
Oh, you got to do that again. I didn't do it.
yeah, it's for your safety. Otherwise,
I'm useless.
you
You have to let me know.
She know that you are.
Is that why she was so careful with me?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's tuck
So
in.
let's
And
tuck
where do we go? We can go anywhere we want?
You can start as you feel free. Start with what you like.
There's no etiquette to this, there's
Actually,
no-
what I do,
Yep.
I mix with everything little. Sambar, little bit this, little bit chutney,
Okay, well, I'm going to do it individually just so I can get the taste first of all, because you're very familiar with it.
You start individually a little bit.
Okay?
Okay. You need Pepsi or something?
No, I've got water
Yeah.
and I'm fine.
Because it's a little bit spicy, which is sometimes.
That's really spicy already.
Yeah. This is fish curry.
What fish is that? Mackerel?
What's called it is. Yeah. I don't know in English.
It looks like mackerel.
Eh? I don't know.
Right, I'm.
Correct, yeah.
That is unbelievably
Anything
hot. That's much hotter than I thought it was going to be.
Yes, that is very spicy. And this one very spicy. Pickle.
The pickle and that, yeah.
Of course, it's plain chili.
But I'm loving it. I'm really loving it. I'm going to go for some of this, get it in the rice. And always eat with a hand.
Kerala, everything by hand. Chef Suresh.
Oh wow.
This is something.
Suresh, what have you got for us here?
Yeah. This is fish. Open it.
He's going to do it?
Here, I guess knife and fork.
Oh wow.
Knife and fork.
I'm excited about that. Is that going to be really spicy?
Try a little bit. Take by your hand.
I'm going to.
She will serve.
So Sadhya you'd eat for lunch, you'd never eat it for dinner? Lunchtime only?
Lunch. This is occasional food. Not every day.
Not every day.
Hard to make at home. How many items?
So
One
many,
day
yeah.
early.
So
In
many
at
things.
home, we are ladies and everybody together help each other
Yep.
to make one day early some items which is not fast staying
Thanks.
longer, like this dry items, fish curry, this and that. One day early. Otherwise, we can't reach on time all this to.
Yeah,
prepare
there's so many small.
Yeah, so many items. Some place, some occasion they make 20, 22 items. Yeah.
Now I was reading recently. Apparently you've got 10,000 different festivals, or something ridiculous. Like it's like multiple ones a day.
Exactly.
You know, through all the
Average
through all the
yearly,
religions and that.
Yes.
This is very exciting for me. I love this. Yeah, that's like a mackerel, but super delicious. Super delicious.
Oh, okay, good, thank you. Oh, okay.
I just bought me a banana.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
ക്യാമറ വേണ്ട ഇത് മതി അല്ല ആൾ കൊടുത്തോ വേണ്ട ഇത് മതി
I'll have some chips, yeah. Why not?
ചിപ്സ് അങ്ങനെ തന്നെ കേട്ടോ ഇങ്ങനെ സൈഡ്.
Thanks a lot. Now, we just were served a banana, and then we'll serve some chips. Now this is massive, isn't it, in Kerala? Like fried banana, fried.
Exactly,
There's a lot of kind of
yeah,
snacky
yeah,
stuff,
yeah.
isn't there?
Because this is banana is not this is different banana. You know the long one.
Yeah.
It's very good. Not the regular banana.
Now, I think what
So
we'll do,
that is plenty of available in Kerala.
yeah, a lot of it.
Yeah. So
And I
that
think what we'll
reason
do, maybe we can go somewhere and get a load of these snacks.
this is plenty available in everywhere in Lulu Mall, everywhere. This is also same banana, the other one. This is sweet. This is banana as well. The same banana. It's a coating by ginger powder. You know the bellam? Bellam, ginger powder. Yeah, this.
Now, it's really nice actually having a little bit of sweet in here. Now, I don't have a sweet tooth at all, but
And you try this
it's
is
nice.
something Lebanon curry.
Lebanon curry.
Yeah, just try it like this.
I'm drinking curry.
Yeah.
I love that.
Some of these are optional if you want to drink like that. Okay, otherwise you can mix with it.
And what's this one? Is this a sweet one
That's
we
a
had
pudding
for breakfast?
Rice. Yeah.
Is it similar that we had
Yes,
there?
yes.
Oh, that's much more rice pudding tasting than the last one. That's actually nice. The last one I thought was really
Oh,
sweet.
yeah, yeah.
I couldn't handle it. It was too sweet. So this would only be served in the afternoon. What about dosa? Can I get dosa in the morning and in the afternoon and the evening, or?
Dosa is actually, I told you, this is snack. This is you can have any time.
Anytime.
Anytime, but the way how you hungry. Dosa is not occasional food.
Well, this is very exciting and really delicious. Really delicious. Now tell the people where you're from in Kerala.
What?
Where are you from in Kerala?
Me?
Yeah.
I am from Thrissur.
Okay.
Thrissur is exactly middle of Kerala. Center.
In the centre, is it inland? Is it coastal? Is it?
Land. You like it?
I don't like it. I love it. Okay, I think I'm done. I'm not going to try these. They're super hot.
No, never. You can afford that. Try little bit on the corner.
You're saying I can't do it?
Yeah.
Is that a challenge?
And keep, challenge. Keep this on the side. If you burn your tongue, just sip it there.
I'm sure it's going to be awful.
So salty actually. Enough salt in it. So cooked by Labat.
I mean, that is just salt.
Yeah. I never eat.
But you never eat it.
This is heavy cholesterol.
But it's not
Because it's cooking by inside Labat. Boil it. And remove the water. They put for
That's really
dryer.
weird. That's really weird because I'm holding a chili, thinking I'm going to die, and it just tastes of salt. But
It's
there's
a salt,
very,
very
very,
salt.
there's hardly any chili.
Exactly. Some of the item not enough for you salt. You using this one.
Yeah, I mean it is. It's like just eating salt. Wow.
That's why you cannot see salt and pepper on the side. This is your salt and pepper.
That is incredible. That is incredible. Yeah. I thought I was going to be in for one then. I thought I was going to be going ah. Right. So look, I've got
Me too.
the pickle. I'm going to try the pickle. You're saying this is lemon, yeah?
Lemon, yeah. I am done also.
That's delicious.
And if done,
Yeah.
so you have to do like that.
We have to do a fold in a half. Okay. Look at that. I like to know all these little things.
That's it.
You've not made a
is
single
type of-
mess there. I've made loads.
That is not.
You've just had years of practice.
So this is type of respect who serving us.
You just do that.
Actually, we have to take this in Kerala at home. But of course, the restaurant.
Oh, hang on. Listen, I think I've read something about that.
Traditionally, we have to take.
And then what do you do this? Do you give this to cows or something? Or
No,
this is
not
given
for-
to someone.
This is waste. Finish.
No, I read somewhere that it's used for something. It was given to. Have I
The
just?
fresh one.
Yeah.
The fresh one, yeah,
Have I just read a load of rubbish then? It's just rubbish what I've heard.
it's rubbish.
So thanks, man, for telling me that I've read a load of rubbish. Right, and then
Never
a bit of banana. A bit of banana, which I'm super happy about. And again, these bananas, and there's loads and loads of
Sweet.
varieties, taste nice, don't they? You know the ones we get in the supermarket, long ones. Sometimes I eat them, they're just terrible. But these ones are.
She forcing us to have a sweet. Just a bit for.
I put this inside.
Yeah. Good job, baby.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
Rice pudding.
Dynamite.
I've not heard that for ages, for years and years. We used to say that all the time, didn't we? Dynamite.
Still you used to say?
I don't say it anymore, but I think it was June that.
I heard you keep him busy.
Yeah. Oh my God. That's lovely. There's a bit of takeaway here, lads. There's some nice fish here. Really nice. That's another good thing, right? Is that I get to sit and eat the food, and they just stand there and look at me. And then afterwards they go, I'm hungry, and I go, look, we're too busy, come on. You don't need to eat.
Hope you enjoy with us.
Well, I mean, I just loved it. It was a brilliant experience, and I want to eat more.